Attraction is a complex phenomenon that has been studied in psychology and biology. While preferences vary among individuals, science has identified some characteristics that women tend to find attractive in men. These characteristics go beyond physical appearance and relate to psychological and behavioral aspects. Below, we will explore 9 aspects supported by scientific research that women often value in a man. 1. Confidence. The importance of self-assurance. Studies have shown that self-confidence is an attractive trait for women. Self-assurance can be perceived as an indicator of emotional and social stability, generating attraction in romantic contexts. 2. Humor. The key to fun in a relationship. The ability to make someone laugh has been associated with attraction. A good sense of humor can strengthen emotional bonds and create a positive atmosphere in interactions, according to research in social psychology. 3. Intelligence. Beyond superficiality. Intelligence is an attractive factor for many women. The ability to engage in interesting and challenging conversations has been identified in studies as a valuable component in emotional attraction. 4. Empathy. Connecting on an emotional level. The ability to understand and share the emotions of others has been associated with more successful relationships. Empathy and emotional understanding are qualities that women often value in a partner. 5. Personal care. Reflection of self-esteem. Attention to personal care and physical presentation are aspects that women may notice. Studies suggest that self-esteem and personal care can influence the perception of attractiveness. 6. Honesty and authenticity. The foundation of trust. Honesty and authenticity are highly valued qualities. Transparency in communication and sincerity can establish a strong foundation for trust in a relationship, according to research in interpersonal psychology. 7. Ambition and personal goals. Drive and determination. Ambition and personal goals can be perceived as attractive. Studies indicate that women may be attracted to men with determination and aspirations in various aspects of life. 8. Communication skills. The importance of dialogue. Effective communication skills are crucial in any successful relationship. The ability to express thoughts and emotions positively contributes to the emotional connection between partners. 9. Respect and consideration. Pillars of a healthy relationship. Mutual respect and consideration for others are fundamental aspects of attraction. Women often value relationships where respectful and considerate behavior is evident. Conclusion: the complexity of female attraction. In conclusion, science provides valuable insights into the characteristics that women tend to find attractive in men. However, it is crucial to remember that attraction is a diverse and subjective phenomenon. Each individual is unique, and preferences may vary. The foundation of any healthy relationship lies in mutual respect and understanding of individual differences. Hey friends, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Greetings!